ma'am. Diretso po. Sige, go, 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 go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to ETC and welcome to my UCM adventure. Okay, so if you are familiar with this picture, well, this came from their Facebook page. I think it's okay naman to borrow it. So, they have advised me to use Google Maps instead of Waze because Waze cannot you cannot pin the exact address using Waze. So, sabi dito, it will take 1.5 hours or more depending on the traffic. So finally we're here. This is the parking area. Then the other side is the UCM site. So let's go. Okay, so medyo paakyat siya. So ready lang kayo. Okay, on the right side, that is the reception area or the briefing area if you will rent the ATV. So they will ask you to watch short videos. Then they will tell you all the things that you need to know before riding the ATV. The next nipahat is the restaurant. So kahit di na kayo magbaon ng food, you can eat here. They also serve some drinks and some pika-pika. Okay, on the left side, these nipahats are for your staff or employees. Sabi ni Kuya, employees can stay there or sleep there. So I'm not sure if it's free. So this is the second level of paakyat. So i-ready niyo yung mga tuhod niyo. Ako kasi medyo nabigla kasi wala ko exercise. So, si ate ang galing, diba, tumatakbo pa. So, as you can see, there are a lot of nipahats. These are for rent. So, if you want to eat there, pwede. So, let's move on. I want to see first the campsite before doing the ATV. So, ito na catch na yung attention ko. Sabi, smile the impossible and give like you have plenty. So, kahit konti lang meron ka, I think you can still share. So, let's continue. So, on this one, this is their camper trailer. You can rent it overnight for 6,000, I guess. I'm not sure if it's 5,000 or 6,000. So, it's good to see that they are maintaining cleanliness within the area. So let's continue. Sa dulo kasi yung main campsite. So ito yung mga dadaanan nyo bago kayo makarating doon. But the view here is superb. Sobrang ganda. Kahit anong, kumbaga any time of the day, be it morning, tapos pag hapon, makikita mo yung sunset. Lalo na pag sa gabi, makikita mo yung city lights. So, I'm so excited. So, yan, di ba? Kita nyo naman, wala pang ganyan pa lang siya, maganda na. So, ito, it's for rent then. It's another camper trailer, but I think it's smaller than the other one. So, wala yatang nag-rent kasi wala akong nakitang nag-stay dyan. Okay. So, ayan o, mayroong isang nag-rent dun sa isang camper trailer. So, all of these are for rent. So, kung wala kayong tent or ayaw nyo na mag-tent, yun mga pwede. So, yan yung city view. So, let's go down dun sa campsite. So, may mga, what do you call this? May mga ginagawa sila sa site. So, itong big tent, it's good for 3 to 4 packs. I think it's for 1,000. So, dalawa yung nakaset up na tent today. So, ako dun sa baba. So, okay na ako, na-check na yung place. So, let's do the ATV. Siyempre, picture muna. And this is Kuya, yung kasama ko. Okay, so, medyo pagpasensya nyo na medyo maalog kasi wala pa akong pang adventure camera. And ginagawa ni Kuya to habang nagda-drive siya. So, medyo mahirap talaga. Kasi rough yung road and talagang maalog siya.
Brakes po, brakes. Yes ma'am, tama po.
So yan, no, maputik. Pero sobrang fun. Mas gusto nila na idadaan ka dun sa mga putik para ma-experience mo talaga yung adventure. So go lang. Kahit madumihan yung shoes mo or damit mo, it's part of the trail. So dalawa pala yung trail nila. They have the fun trail and they have the experience trail. So, nandito na kami sa taas. Meron tayong 3 stop doon sa trail. So, this is the first stop. Of course, picture. So, this is the next stop. May naman sinasabi si Kuya na dito daw yung or maraming nagmamotor papunta dito sa area na to. So, may mga trail dyan. So, as you can see, red yung gamit ko, di ba? Kaso nung paakyat, na-break yung chain. So, balik ako sa baba. Pinapalitan ni Kuya. Ginamit ko yung ATV niya.
Go! Yan, go ma'am, diretso po. Sige, go.
So, bababa na kami. Si Kuya nang pinag-drive ko para makakuha ko ng konting videos. Medyo mahirap lang gawing stable talaga yung mga kuha. So, yan yung ATV ko na nasira. So sad. So, babalikan na lang daw yan. Hihilain na kasi hindi na kayang i-fix doon. So, dyan daw yung Marilake, yung famous na destination ng mga nagmamotor. So, look at my shoes. It's so dirty. Good luck sa paglaba. So, this is my tent. So, sabi sa Decathlon, you can set it up for just 2 seconds. So, Ate Sheila is helping me. She was so nice. So, kahit madali lang i-set up naman yung tent, hinelp pa rin niya ako. So, this will be my place. So, tadan! Naka-set up na. So, like I said, it is so easy to set up. So, syempre, meron akong mini fan. So, nakalimutan ko, di pa pala ako nagda-lunch. So, kakain muna ako. So, yung food nila, good for 2 to 3 packs yung mga ibang nasa menu. So, I opted for the all-day breakfast na lang. So, these are the views from the restaurant. Si Haring Araw nagpapasikat. Pero, sobrang nice nung place. Kung mahilig ka talaga sa nature and sa mga ganito, this is the right place for you. So yun, super daming nipahat na for rent. So I think may mga pumupunta dito para kumain lang. Okay, so I'll go back to my place. So ito yung view. And of course, my tent. So, yeah. So, yan yung city lights or city lights, the city area. So, later on, we will see yung city lights. This is my tent again. Then, yung paligid. So, excuse the messy hair. Mahangin sa labas. So, ito na yung sunset. Ito talaga yung inaabangan ko eh. So, the rest of the videos will be yung parang sunod-sunod na kuha sa sunset and then papunta sa city lights. So, enjoy watching. Thank you. So, yun. So, yun yung city lights. Di ba ang ganda? So, dapat meron akong bonfire. Unfortunately, the kuya hindi dumating. So, lumabas ako para mag-check ng dun sa front area. So, ito yung parang din. Pwede kang kumain dun sa taas na yun. So, good morning. This is my view around 6 a.m. So, kitang-kita mo yung mga buildings sa city. So, hindi masyadong foggy. Hindi masyadong malamig. So, I think I will leave the place early para makaiwas ako sa traffic. So, ayan, kuha ng pictures. But, I think I need to eat breakfast para maligpit ko yung tent right after. So, this is my breakfast. Then, I will, ano bang tawag dito? Ililigpit ko na yung tent ko. So, I need to remove all of these, yung sinuksok sa ilalim. So, dahil na-remove na yung lahat, or after ma-remove lahat, kailangan na ma-fold tong tent. Sabi ng ate sa Decathlon, I just need to pull something from the inside. So, this, orange talent, o ano man tawag yan. So, pull ko lang yan. para ma-fold niya yung tent. So, it's so easy. Okay, so I'll go home. So, yung daan halos pababa na. Wala lang akong videos nung papunta kasi medyo tense ako. Kasi syempre, first time kong pumunta dyan and then, paakyat siya. So, kung manual yung gamit mong sasakyan, medyo, kailangan alert ka kasi kailangan mong mag-change ng gear from time to time. So, sobrang, nakaka-tense din. So, bababa na ako ng Antipolo, then Marikina. Then, of course, paano na ako. Kasi C5 ako pinapadaan. So, sana hindi traffic kasi alam ko maraming mag-uuwian kasi long weekend na. So, nasa SLEX na ako. So far, hindi pa traffic. So, ayan na. Nabate. So, traffic na. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.